Hi everyone, I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I want to explain in detail the correct way to activate notifications on your smartwatch using an iPhone with the Mactive Pro app. Before we start, here is a vital tip to avoid connection errors. If you already have the app installed, please uninstall it. This allows us to set everything up from scratch. Also, make sure your Bluetooth is on. If you previously tried to connect the watch directly to your iPhone's Bluetooth settings, go to Bluetooth settings and select Forget this device before we begin. The first step is to go to the App Store, search for Mactive Pro, and download it. This should only take a few seconds. Step 2. Once the app is installed, we must enable the permissions that appear on the screen. Please follow these carefully. Location permission. This is necessary to find the watch, so select Allow. Bluetooth permission. It will ask to find nearby devices. Choose OK or Allow. Activity tracking. I suggest choosing Ask App Not to Track, and for location, select while using the app. Notifications. This is the most important one. Choose Allow. Don't worry if the pop-ups look slightly different on your screen. It can vary depending on your watch model. Now you will see the login screen. You have two options: register with an email or simply enter as a guest, which is what I recommend. To do this, tap the skip option. In some cases, the watch might connect automatically. If a connection menu pops up, just hit accept. If the automatic connection option doesn't appear, go to the Device tab and look for the Connect Device option. Wait for it to show up in the list and then select it to connect. A couple of pop-ups will appear asking to enable system notifications. Make sure to allow them. Then, look for the message push or message notification setting and toggle on the apps you need. Also, if your iPhone has Do Not Disturb or Focus mode turned on, I recommend disabling it, as this can prevent notifications from reaching your watch. If this video was helpful to you, I'd be very grateful if you could subscribe and leave a comment. Greetings to everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.